YouTube, what's going on? It's Jeremiah Cregan. I got a box here that has the metal magic clips in it. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys today, showing you what comes in the package. I'm super excited. I love the magic clips myself, use them all the time. Definitely my favorite clipper to use, especially for fades. But super excited to see what the metal ones have. Let's get into it. One of the things about these unboxings is I've seen a lot of people using like their barber shears or their straight razors to open boxes or packages. You never want to use that. Use a pair of just regular scissors or a box cutter. You never want to use your tools on anything that's not hair on a client. You know, you don't want to be opening other stuff. Look at these. Wow. Comes with some guards, it looks like. On the side there, like usual. Pull this off. So I got a nice 100 years of tradition look. There's tape on the bottom. Here they are. Looking awesome. Wow. Oh, listen to that. Gotta love that. Let's see what else is in here. So you got your charger, per usual. You got your clips, all premium clips, oil, barber comb, instructions. I've always loved the magic clips. They've always been one of my favorite clippers to use, if not the favorite for me personally. I just don't think that you can get a paralleled fade to what you can do with the magic clips. It's really tough anyway. I mean, the way that the fade comes out with the magic clips is just, there's something about it that I just love. It's like turning the clippers on in the morning with a cup of coffee. There's just nothing like it. All right, guys, that's the unboxing of the magic clips. Super excited to give them a try. I'll be doing a review on them probably in a couple weeks. Want to give them a fair shot. I'm sure that, I'm guessing anyway, that I'm gonna love them. I love the regular ones. I think that they just do, the fades that are done with them just look a little bit different, and to me just a little bit blurrier. I've been using the Babylist a lot lately just because it's something new that I've been trying out, and I really like those as well. But I learned how to cut hair with the Andis Masters, and if you guys know, those are a little bit heavier, so I think going from those to the regular magic clips, a little bit of a weight difference, but these are a little bit heavier like the Masters, so I think I'm really gonna enjoy these. I'm really excited to use them. They look amazing. So Wall did a really nice job with these. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is the unboxing of the magic clips. Here they are. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like the video. We'll be back in a couple days with another fade tutorial, and I'm really excited for that. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you.